Now I'm ready to install the new upgraded LED running light. This one happens to have the option with the offset light pipe. I will go ahead and reverse the instructions and install into the opening in the bumper. Okay, installing the new light. Peel back the wheel well. There's two tabs towards the back. You slide the two notch arms in there, slide it in, taking one of the U-clips, making sure everything is lined up, press in the U-clip until it's attached firmly, which it is. Finish up with the bottom one. That's clipped in. This is the LED Philips daytime running light power cord. We're going to leave that sitting out for now. Don't forget, even if you don't have, if you have the daytime running light only, you still must connect the OEM wire harness. If you don't, water will leak into the fixture and cause fogging.